How to get your carpets deep cleaned. 1. Vacuum thoroughly. Before you start shampooing your carpets, you need to vacuum them thoroughly. This will remove any surface dirt and debris so that the shampoo can penetrate deeper into the carpet fibers. Start by vacuuming in a back and forth motion, then follow up with a side-to-side motion. For best results, use a vacuum with a beater bar or rotating brush. 2. Pre-treat stains. If you have any stubborn stains on your carpets, pre-treat them with a stain remover before shampooing. Apply the stain remover to the stain, then let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before proceeding to the next step. This will give the stain remover time to work its magic. 3. Shampoo the carpets. Once you've vacuumed and pre-treated any stains, it's time to shampoo the carpets. You can use either a rented shampooer or an at-home carpet cleaner for this step. If you're using a rented shampooer, be sure to follow the instructions carefully. If you're using an at-home carpet cleaner, simply follow the directions on the machine. In general, you'll want to fill the machine with water and carpet shampoo, then slowly move it over each section of carpet until the carpets are wet but not soaked through. Let the carpets dry completely before walking on them or moving furniture back into place.